This is a real life woolly mammoth tusk that I bought for $7,500. It weighs 115 pounds and it is the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life. I'm going to attempt to restore it, but I don't know the first thing about restoring these fossils. First thing I did though, I let it dry out. It took over a year. It was soaking wet. It was completely saturated on the inside. So I spent over a year drying it out. And I said it weighed 115 pounds when I started. It only weighed 89 pounds when I took it out. This is me drilling a hole in it, which terrified me, but this is how I'm going to mount it. I had a good friend of mine build up a custom stand for me because I wanted it to look like it was just floating there. And Joe over at Otter's Custom Fab did a great job with that. Then I had lots more pits to fill and lots of sanding and polishing. I sanded it from 80 grit all the way up to 2000 grit. This is a quick coat of N3, and this is what it looks like in the end. Again, the absolute coolest thing I have ever seen in my life. I am so excited, but I'd love to know what you think.